Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can collaborate on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application and I'm going to create an Instagram story. And if we want to collaborate on Instagram story, we need to mention our friend. For example, I'm going to collaborate with my friend on this Instagram story. So I'm going to mention them. But before I mention them, I'm going to share it to my story. I'm going to mention them after I post my story. Wait, now the story is being uploaded. Just hold on. And after the story has been uploaded, we can add mention. Click on more option and then select add mentions. Okay, and then I'm just going to mention this account. Click on add. Okay, and this is my Instagram second account guys, so I'm just going to open it, this one, and if we have been mentioned by someone, we will get the notification on our Instagram direct messages. You can go to your Instagram direct messages, and this is my first account who mentioned my second account. I'm just going to open it and we can click on add to your story. Okay, and then we can click on add to story. Okay, like this. And then to get the full screen, you just need to tap on your story. Oops, like this. You can get the full screen, and you can also edit the story before you post it to your Instagram account. You can add text, sticker, or music, and it's up to you guys. And for example, I'm just going to add music. I'm going to select this one. Okay, and then once you're done editing your Instagram story, you can click on your story to post it on your account. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Now the story is being uploaded. And wait guys, after the story has been reposted, I'm going to show you how the collaborations looks like. But wait, okay, and you will see the collaboration right here. As you can see guys, that I'm collaborating on this story with my friend. Okay guys, and that's all the way to collaborate on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.